What's up, guys? Today we're gonna make some hot cocoa because I'm in love with the cocoa. You already know what it is. So stick around. Alright, we're back. So in front of me I have a hot plate with some hot boiling water. You're not really supposed to do it with it boiling, but hey, I kind of go hard. You know how I get down. I got just about like a quarter cup of almond milk in here. I got unsweetened, and I got about a handful of semi-sweet Enjoy Life chocolate chips. So all you're gonna do here is you take this here, mix it around, and then you just drop it right down into the water here. All you want is for the chocolate chips to get nice and soft. Now this glass could start getting hot, so you should really have gloves on if you're doing this, but once again, you know how I get down. But while this is doing this thing, I'll take this time to talk to you guys. I really do appreciate all the new subscribers that took a look at the Thanksgiving video. You guys are amazing. If you're not already subscribed here, go ahead and slap that subscribe button right now. And you know, join the team. That's how we get down here. So as you can see, the chocolate chips are starting to melt. That's all you want them to do, is go ahead and melt. So once all that starts to melt, you can go about adding your milk one or two different ways. You can take and just add the milk to this and keep doing the same mixture that I'm doing here as far as mixing it up. So look at that, those chocolate chips are melted. You see that? Let's keep it going. This is what I found to be the best way, and also the best chocolate chips to use. These Enjoy Life chocolate chips, man, they done did something up. Man, look, let me tell you something. Just like that, look at that. The chocolate chips are melted. So when I first made this about a few weeks ago, I was super excited because it was really tasty. I thought, you know, my hot cocoa days were over, because all the instant cocos that I would see all contain milk. So just like that, you see now it's gone. So what you want to do here is, like I said, you can take another pot and just boil some milk and add it to it. Or you can do what I do. And I just take and add some of my non-dairy milk to it. Now look, I'm not rich, man. I use the Giant brand unsweetened almond milk. By the way, you don't want to just sit this cup on there. See, when I just put it in here just now, it just calmed down a little bit, because now it has to react to the water being cool because of the temperature of the milk. So this is probably the long way of doing things. If I just dump the water out and pour the milk in there and just let it heat on its own, it would probably do it a lot faster. But guess what? We're not worried about a lot faster right now. We got time on our side. My wife probably wouldn't say the same, but hopefully she don't get too upset. She's in the other room with the TV all paused and low down. So you want to get this up to your desired temperature to have it. Oh man, I can't wait to get up in this. It's like the perfect time of the year for cocoa. You guys ready for Christmas time? Leave me some comments. You guys celebrate Christmas? Would you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa? You don't do anything? Oh, I'm interested. Let me know what you guys got going on. I'm nosy. All I know is that I'm in love with the cocoa. So, also, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to have a straw. I mean, not a straw, but a spoon to mix it up. But this here is pretty hot now. But like I also said, instead of having water in here, you could pour the water out, pour the almond milk directly in it, let the milk heat up, then mix that with the initial melted chocolate chips that I had in there, and then mix that all together and let it get hot. That's one way of doing it, so you don't have to keep your hand over a hot flame. But that's just the way I like doing it. Now I got some nice rich chocolate. So what I'll do now is go ahead and shut this off. My kids are making a bunch of noise downstairs. Hopefully you guys can't hear them too much in this video. But that's what I got going on inside of there. Let's dress this up a little bit, make it look pretty, you know what I'm saying? People want hot cocoa so it can look a little pretty. I think that's how they get it done. Oh, got my Dandies marshmallows, they're vegan. I found these at Giant. The vegan, gluten-free, flat. I have my Dandies. I even got my little torch lighter. And toast these bad boys up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, dog? You know what I'm saying, dog? Little. I'm gonna get hot. Got my Ready Whip. You know what I'm saying? We normally use this up in the vegan bedroom, but I ain't gonna talk about that right now, you know what I'm saying? Man, you know what I'm saying? Just look at that, you know what I'm saying? Hang on, we gotta hit that with the. Next we gotta grab you a little cinnamon, just to do it, you know. Oh, oof. You might think I'm one of them Starbucks baristas or something. I never worked at Starbucks, by the way. I just worked at Tony Bucks, whatever that is. Alright, so that's about it right there. That's how you make the eatgrass not as hot cocoa. So your perfect winter days when it's nice and hot or cold, because you don't make this when you're hot, you make it when you're damn cold. Go ahead and cuddle up on the couch with some eatgrass not as hot cocoa. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this hot cocoa was up to your standards. If not, sue me. Nah, I'm just joking. Don't sue me. I'm broke. You ain't gonna get nothing but a couple pennies and old ratchet tools. But anyway, I love you guys. You guys, and I see you on the next video. Peace out.